Carly Renee, I can't believe we're finally here. I've been waiting my whole life for this moment, and I'm so lucky to call you mine.
Carly and Hayden's story began the old-fashioned way, during the elementary school years. They found love in a hopeless place, also known as YMCA summer camp.
Wow. Carly, you have a lot to be happy for in life. I love you and wish Hayden nothing but the best.
Oh my.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, honey.
Carly and Hayden, you are perfect for each other, and I can't wait to see your relationship blossom into a beautiful family. This is the beginning of your happily ever after.
God damn! Baby, you look so gorgeous. God, I love the dress.
Four years ago to the day, you asked me to go to Asheville for a weekend getaway. But really, that was where it all began. I knew that this would be more than likely a forever thing.
Carly, I love you more than anything in this world, and I cannot wait to take on life with you forever. You are my rock, my shelter, my comfort. Lean on me for everything you want and need. I love you more than anything.
Love you, baby. I like to think that and believe that this was all part of God's perfect plan. It's wild that we are getting married today, and I wouldn't want it any other way. I'm beyond thankful and beyond lucky to have you as my best friend and the love of my life.
Today, this marriage does not mark the beginning of a new adventure. Rather, it's an acknowledgement and a celebration of the love and adventures that they share together. It is my great pleasure to pronounce you husband in life. Hayden, you may kiss your bride.
Since I was a little girl, I always wondered what this day would be like and who that man would be and what he would be like. And I'm just so glad it's you. Because you exceeded all my expectations and all of my dreams. And I promise to choose you, Hayden Calvert. I love you, Carly.